Hello guys, how is it going today? It's now March the 17th, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, and I'm here to give you guys a very quick update on Elliot Wave. And I want to talk to you guys about how I'm counting it as well. So this is going to be a very quick 5-minute update. That's waves 1, that's waves 2, 3, 4, and 5. One will argue, well, why is that not wave 2? Good point. I'm going to talk to you guys about it in high detail and explain to you guys why that is not a possible count up there, okay? So let's go over that. Now, I call this waves right here as my waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a very updated count that I wanted to give everybody. Now, let's talk about this in detail right here, this structure. We have to remember that for waves 2, 4, and also waves B, they can come in many different shapes and forms, right? So 2, 4, and B can come in different varieties. And a lot of the times what we'll see is we'll see an A, B, C, D, E pattern like that, which ends up making some sort of triangle, right? That you guys see like that, which can also happen on ABC as well, okay? A, B, C, where this could make some sort of triangle in here, right, to make all of wave B structure, and the B point actually is considered over here, and this right here would be just considered, you know, A, B, C, D, and E. And this is how a lot of our formations end up being completed. So I'm gonna delete this right here, and I'm gonna go over with you guys in detail why I consider that my particular wave, okay? So this would basically be A, B, C, and this is D and kind of E right around this range. Does that make sense to you guys? If that's not the count right there, then we can just modify it a little bit and say that's A, that's B, this is now C, D, and E. Either way, it works out to be the exact same where we've got 5 points. And we usually don't know how to count this properly until we actually get to the very end, okay? So that's definitely my wave, in my opinion. If that's wave 1, and here as well, I'm going to call this simple. I'm going to call this my A, my B, and I'm going to call this my C, like that. And we also see another structure that does something similar, right? Where it goes A, B, C, D, and E, just like this. Whoops, that was an accident. Let me get it back there. So this goes something like A, B, C, D, and E. Like, oh, I don't know why it's doing that. A, B, I know why now. I know why. Because I'm not starting from the origin point. A, my mistake. I've done this enough times, I should know. There we go, that makes a lot more sense now, okay? So now we're getting our A, B, C, D, and E count just in there like that. Yeah, so that's my Elliot wave count right there, right? When we look on it on a very micro level, like on a 10-minute chart, for example. And then what we see here is this right here. We see it reaching about the 0.5 fib level, right? Right here. Take a look. Okay, we see C reach the 0.5 fib level. So we want to make note of this specific place right here, okay? Hit 0.5 to 618 actually. Did I do that right? Let's make sure I did that right. Yeah, it hit roughly that range right there from waves. Oh, sorry, I did that wrong. I want to make sure that I'm getting it right. It's got to be very accurate, okay? So then we just wait right there. We see that it's hitting roughly 0.5 to 618 fib roughly. Therefore, assume next wave will hit trendline resistance at a reasonable fib level. Okay, so then now we're taking our fib from up here. So let's say that this is roughly the support that we're getting right now. Well, it makes entire sense that we're gonna hit roughly between right here, okay? It's very, very reasonable for us to, no, sorry, not that one up there. Down right here, that it's reasonable for us to hit these targets up there, okay? So then if you guys were thinking of taking this play, this is a very short-term play to take, right? Which I don't mind calling it. your enterings anywhere near 850, above 850. Like we'll say your average price you enter is 850, and you're gonna target at most, on average, okay? At most, you will target. We'll just take the average of the middle, right? So you'll target roughly around 80.75. It's up to you guys. Set your stop loss for around 7,800. We'll see. Okay, 7,800, roughly there, or maybe 77.75. 77. No, this was 78.50. We'll see on average. Okay, right here. Oh, that deleted by accident. Okay. 78. We'll enter around 78.50. Okay. We'll target roughly 8075. Right. We will stop loss at 77.75. Okay. We got a risk to reward ratio there. So I'm actually going to tweet this for people as well. This is a very good setup, in my opinion. So you guys got to ask yourself, like, is this trade worth taking for you guys? To some people, it's not even worth it, right? But basically what you're looking at is you're targeting between 0.5 fib and 0.618 fib between 8,042, excuse me, 8,042 and 8,014, okay? So then this is it right here, where it's a risk to reward ratio of 3.1, entry 78.40 to 78.90. Target is roughly 80.42 to 81.04. This is very specific. If you guys have noticed, I don't really do this often for you guys because I don't like to be wrong, right? People get upset when I'm wrong. So then now our stop loss is between 77.50 and 7,800 here, right? Pretty decent stop loss, I'd say. Chance to lose 0.86%, chance to gain 2.87%. So got to ask yourself, is this worth it for you guys? Now we count our Elliot wave to finish off. Just to summarize quickly: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which makes waves 1. Okay, this right here makes waves 1. This right here makes waves 2. That's waves 3. That's wave 4, somewhere in there. And we have our final 5th wave somewhere down over here, which is to be determined. Okay, that's entirely to be determined. We will talk about that when the time comes. But right now, it's very difficult to even talk about it when we don't really have a clear understanding of what this could actually get to. So this is it, guys. Now we have our, just to summarize again, wave 2 there, we have A, B, C, D, E. We have a simple A, B, C up there as well, okay? Very simple wave going up there like that. I believe that this is a fairly decent count. I cannot think of any other way to count this right now from my perspective. If you guys have a better idea, make sure you're sharing your ideas as well. So good luck if you decide to take this trade setup. It's definitely your opportunity is definitely coming up it's like ending very soon. So you guys got to figure that out, okay? I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching the video. This is my updated Elliot wave count, and we will talk about this target when the time comes. Wave 5 target to be determined, I will say, okay? Just to make sure that you guys understand this. Wave 5 target to be determined once more data arrives. Once more data arrives. Okay, so good luck with it, guys. If you guys love these videos I'm making and it's helping you, I will see. Make sure you upvote it on steemit. Otherwise, have yourselves a great day, and thank you very much for watching these videos. Bye.